wish you a Merry Vlogmas. We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. We wish you a Merry Vlogmas. And we hope you subscribe. Okay, so today we are going to go see a Christmas parade.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what to expect. They say it's gonna be some floats out there. So yeah, it's gonna be lit. We're gonna go out there and see what's going on. I wonder if they're gonna have some fireworks or something. Do fireworks and floats mix?
I don't know, maybe.
Probably not.
I hope I see Santa.
You gotta be there.
Cut.
At the parade, it's supposed to start a couple minutes ago, but guess they on that CP timing. But nah, everybody out here chilling. You see all the families out, all the kids out playing. Like I said, Christmas is good vibes every single time.
This is the scenery right now. Everybody up.
Not
Everybody's around with their family.
Not gonna lie, that's a vibe. Everybody chilling. It's kind of cool, but I can't tell it's that cold. You feel me?
Right. We got these nice jackets on.
You already know.
Sweaters.
It's that Christmas season fit. You feel me? That I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Y'all see that little curl hanging down right there? Hold on. I was gonna say,
You think he Michael Jackson?
Come on now. What y'all got planned the first weekend of the Christmas season in December? Because the Christmas season starts before December. You feel me? Let's be real. Let's be honest. But once it's December, it's no hold bar. So what y'all got planned this weekend?
And this is like our first time vlogging in public.
Right? Honestly, we did in the 4th of July, but that was kind of low key. We was like, you feel
now
me?
we got a mic. Now we got the light.
We out here. We out here. This is our very first Vlogmas, y'all. So like, we out here, we grinding. We just out here trying to stay consistent, give y'all that consistency, give y'all that content every single day. That's part of Vlogmas. So make sure y'all subscribe and y'all share this video with somebody close.
Go share it right now.
Yes, sir.
And like it.
We got some nice little lights. Yes, sir. They decked out the back of the truck, got the wagon on it with the Santa float. Merry Christmas. They got our Frosties with it too.
Wow, look over here. Look at
the minion. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
That's lit. Nah, that's fire. I don't know why the minions, they did wonders to the world. You feel me?
Right.
Imagine having to follow that up.
Oh, my nephew would love it.
Yeah, he
loves fire trucks.
That's lit. They got the little, are these kids are Taekwondo kids.
Right.
They out here in the road, kicking that little boy in the middle. He looking like, bro, I'm not here for this. I just want to fight. He looking for his parents. I'm coming to get my money for my snacks. The Little Mermaid got a float.
Is that Ariel?
Allie really put on for the culture because everybody talking about Little Mermaids again.
Literally.
Gotta love the kids. Gotta love the kids.
Oh, that's Ursula.
Yeah, got a little Ursula in that thing too.
Wow, that's super cool. He's a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
The Grinch so viral, it's crazy.
Right? Everybody want the Grinch.
Can I see the Grinch float? Can I see the Grinch float? Wow. Nice little float right here.
A nice
this a Frosty float. Is that a sleigh? And it look like he got a penguin on top with him. That's fire.
Wow, who is that? Is that a cow?
Chick-fil-A.
Oh, it's Chick-fil-A.
This is Chick-fil-A float. Thanks. You know they got the cow mascot. Hey, eat more chicken. Eat more chicken.
For Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, just yelled, Mommy, it's Chick-fil-A.
Look at how hype people get for Chick-fil-A.
People going crazy.
You can make that a spicy chicken sandwich.
Whoa.
You can put that frosted lemonade under the tree. They got a hairspray float. They supposed to, what was her name?
I don't know.
I forgot her name, but she's supposed to be the daughter and the mom. That's a super good movie too. We got a little boat. This is an adoption center. You gotta love the kids. I call dogs kids. I call them kids. What you mean?
Okay.
Like,
look at the little pups. Oh my God, you see their outfits?
Right. This dude made me wish we brought Penny out here.
Right.
Like,
whoa.
They lit. Christmas!
God. Whoa, look at Lorex.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
The costume,
it looks so good.
Costume probably so clutch right now because I know it's cold to everybody else on that.
Right.
Lorex, he chilling.
Yo. Yeah. 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 Wow, look at the cheerleaders. I cannot wait to have a daughter so she can cheer too.
A lot of them black too.
Right? Let's go. I'm dead. They think they funny.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
That so reminds me when I was in elementary school and we was in a parade. Yep, your girl Jade was in a parade.
Your girl Jade, not the parade, Jade.
I was in a parade when I was in elementary school.
Hey. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy holiday!
Uh-oh, not T-Pain over here dancing.
I gotta put the chips up.
Yeah. 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 Go Beans!
Go again. This song take me back to high school.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. 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 Fly, Eagles fly. JK, who they? This dude won't stop dancing. He's like, as long as the band's over here, we're gonna keep dancing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Ding, ding, ding. My bad. I'm not paying attention to the parade. Got the cheerleaders over here. Ooh. Cheer, cheer, cheer. The one boy. There's one black person. And he a dude. Does that even count? The crazy thing is that these people really gotta walk like 5 blocks.
Right? That's a crazy
That's
part.
crazy.
And they kicking legs like
right? They kicking legs the whole 5 blocks. Keep going, bro.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Is that Santa?
Hey. Merry Christmas. Yes, sir. Nah, this one fire. They went all out. This one fire.
Right? Oh, Snoopy.
Hey. Oh, I'm going crazy. I was out here doing the hip hard.
Everybody out here loving the Minions.
I told you they really did wonders on the world. They look like they got on Minion caps. That's fire.
Hey.
They Minion out. Merry Christmas, everybody from Customs Sky 0 Club. Merry Christmas!
Whoa, Snoopy in a plane.
Merry Christmas! Yes, sir. We got the young youth football team out here making moves.
That's so funny. I can't wait. I'm going to have my little future son playing football, too.
I was just going to say, you talking about our future daughter playing or doing cheerleading?
Uh-huh.
Future son most definitely going to be in that football.
Right.
Quarterback, running back. He ain't going to play for the Texans. But, I mean, unless they draft him, I won't be mad. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is presents underneath the Christmas tree. Yeah. This is like the most classic Christmas song ever. That's wild. And we got some nice vibes. Some home cooked vibes. Because this ain't recorded. This is live.
Yeah.
That's a bold take to be skating for blocks, waving a flag. That's crazy. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah.
It's a huge Snoopy.
Snoopy! You gotta love the whole Peanuts game. Yeah,
I
watch
didn't know
me
people
whip.
still whip.
All right, so I ain't that old. They still whipping.
Right? They
They
look like
still
little.
doing the whip. We ain't that old.
Right? They look like the episode characters.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
This man really dancing.
Bet. Yeah. Hey.
Right?
Hold on. Yeah.
Not him running up. He like, I need a hand. He's
Wow.
oh my goodness.
I missed it. Hey. Hey, Jack Skeleton in the cut.
Dang it.
Yeah, classic. Hey.
Break out now.
What? It wasn't on your wrist?
Are you sure?
Yeah. This is a Little Incredibles float. Little Incredibles vehicle.
That's super cool.
I like it. I like the lights. Who don't like the Incredibles? How y'all feel about the Incredibles too,
I
though?
love how many ideas they have for like
Right?
all the floats. Oh,
Hey. Dear Santa, North Pole.
Mrs. Carr. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Not the Grinch. Yes, sir. We got a gritty and reindeer. Do the gritty. Yeah.
You can record them, yeah.
Hey. You better have recorded than me.
Yeah, but you're not.
Yeah, I'm not the best recording. Merry Christmas.
Wow.
Hey, this is fire. This is fire.
Right? It's actually snow coming in.
Hey, they got snow on me. Wow. I'm a squat. Because I don't want to be. This is fire. Mystery Christmas. Jingle bells. Walking in the winter wonderland. Hey. Hey. Merry Christmas. Hey. They decked out in the yellow. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
I just want to cross.
They run the block. You gotta go right here.
Right there.
And all this stuff gotta.
Alright, y'all. This concludes the end of the parade.
The parade, yes, sir.
Everybody's leaving.
It was
Everybody's
good.
ready to go.
I enjoyed seeing all the school-age kids out here doing their school organization stuff.
Wow, we're moving faster than the
Right.
like.
They're moving at 1 mile per hour. I'm moving at 3.
Literally, we
Like
got
that.
to go. So the parade is over.
It was lit.
They had some really cool floats.
Yeah, nah, definitely. I love the Snoopy ones.
Right.
Snoopy was going
Comment
crazy.
down below which float was your favorite.
Yes, sir. It's Saturday night. I'm very tired, very drained. Been a long week. It's dark. What is it? Vlogmas Day 3?
Vlogmas Day 3
Vlogmas
is
Day 3.
over.
Crazy. We gonna see y'all on 4. Vlogmas Day 4. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and share with somebody.
Right, because we're gonna be posting every single day, so you don't want to miss anything.
Day. All of that.
Peace.